and welcome to English Talk Time. I'm John.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olivia. Thanks for listening today.
Today, we will talk about something fun and easy, hobbies and interests.
Yes, our favorite hobbies and interests. And you can practice simple English with us.
We will speak slowly. We will use short sentences so you can follow along.
Great. And you can repeat after us if you want, at home or on the bus or anywhere.
Okay, Olivia, let's start simple. What is a hobby?
A hobby is something you like to do in your free time for fun.
Yes, not work, not school, just something you enjoy.
Right, and an interest is something you want to learn about or something you like.
Good. Okay. Olivia, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
Nice. What do you like to read?
I like easy books and short stories. I also like books about travel.
Oh, travel books. That's fun. Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to Japan and also Italy.
Japan and Italy. Great places. When do you read?
I usually read at night before I sleep.
That's a good time. Do you read every day?
Not every day, but I try. Maybe 4 or 5 days a week.
Nice. And where do you read? On the sofa, in bed?
Usually in bed, with a small light. It feels calm.
Yeah, reading can be very relaxing.
Yes, and it helps my English too.
That's true. Reading helps with vocabulary.
John, what about you? What is your favorite hobby?
I think my favorite hobby is cooking.
Cooking, that's a great hobby.
Yeah, I like cooking at home. I like simple food,
Like what?
like pasta, soup, and eggs. Easy meals.
Nice. Do you cook every day?
Almost every day. Not always big meals, but something simple.
Do you like cooking alone or with other people?
Usually alone, but sometimes with friends. Cooking with friends is fun.
Yes, because you can talk and laugh and eat together.
Exactly. And you can try new food.
John, when did you start cooking?
I started a few years ago. I wanted to eat healthier.
That's a good reason.
Yeah, and cooking can save money too.
True, eating at restaurants can be expensive.
Right. Okay, so we have reading and cooking. Let's talk about more common hobbies.
Yes, many people like listening to music.
Music is a big one. Olivia, do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to music in the morning.
In the morning? To feel awake?
Yes, it helps me feel good and ready.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft music, not too loud.
That's nice. I like music too. I listen when I cook.
Aw, that sounds nice. Music and cooking, good together.
Yeah, it makes cooking less boring.
And some people like dancing.
Dancing is fun, but I'm not a good dancer.
Honestly, me neither. But I like to dance at home, just for fun.
That's the best place. No stress.
Exactly.
Another hobby is sports. Do you play any sports, Olivia?
I don't play team sports, but I like walking.
Walking counts. It's a healthy activity.
Yes, I walk in the park and I listen to a podcast sometimes.
Oh, like this podcast.
Yes, like this one.
I like sports too. I like swimming.
Swimming is great. Do you swim often?
I try to swim 2 times a week.
Nice. Swimming is good for the whole body.
Yes, and it helps me relax too.
Do you swim alone or with others?
Usually alone, but sometimes with my family.
That's nice. Swimming can be quiet and peaceful.
Yeah, especially in the morning.
Another popular hobby is watching movies or series.
Yes, many people do that after work or school.
John, do you watch movies?
I do, but not every day. Maybe on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies because I want to laugh.
Me too. I also like family movies. Simple and warm.
And movies can help English learners, right?
Yes, if the movie is not too hard, you can use subtitles and listen.
Good tip. Start with easy shows, short episodes.
Yes, and repeat. Listen again.
Okay, let's talk about a different hobby. Gardening.
Gardening? Like plants and flowers?
Yes, some people grow flowers and vegetables.
I don't have a garden, but I have one small plant at home.
Oh, nice. What plant?
A small green plant, like a houseplant. It's easy to take care of.
Do you water it often?
Yes, but not too much. Maybe 2 times a week.
Good. Gardening is relaxing. It feels calm.
Yes, and it makes your home look nice.
Another hobby is drawing or painting.
Oh, I like that. I'm not amazing, but I like simple drawing.
What do you draw?
I draw small things, like a cup, a cat, or a tree.
That's great. It's not about being perfect, it's about enjoying it.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, now let's talk about interests. What are you interested in, Olivia?
I'm interested in languages.
Languages, like English and maybe others?
Yes, English, of course, and I want to learn a little French.
Nice. Why French?
Because it sounds beautiful, and I like French music too.
Great reason. Learning languages can help you travel and meet people.
Yes, and it makes your brain active.
True. I'm interested in food culture.
Food culture?
Yes, like food from different countries. I like learning how people eat.
That's interesting. Like breakfast in different places?
Exactly. For example, in some countries, breakfast is sweet. In others, breakfast is salty.
Yes, and some people drink tea, some people drink coffee.
Right. And I like trying new recipes from other countries.
That's a fun interest, and it connects to your hobby, cooking.
Yeah, they fit together.
John, can I ask you something?
Sure.
How do you choose a hobby? Some listeners may feel unsure.
Good question. I think you can start with one simple idea,
Like what?
like, what do I enjoy? Or what makes me feel relaxed?
Yes, or what do I want to learn?
Exactly. And you can try a hobby for 1 week and see how you feel.
That's a good plan. No pressure.
Yeah, and you don't need expensive things.
Yes, many hobbies are cheap, like walking, reading from a library, or listening to music.
Or cooking simple meals at home.
Right. And another thing, hobbies can be social or quiet.
True, some hobbies are with people, like playing football or joining a club.
And some hobbies are alone, like reading, drawing, or doing puzzles.
Exactly. It depends on your personality and your mood.
Sometimes I want quiet time, so I read.
And sometimes I want energy, so I swim or go for a walk.
Yes.
Let's do a little speaking practice for listeners.
Good idea. We can say simple sentences and listeners can repeat.
Okay, I'll say a sentence first. Slow and clear.
Then I'll say another one.
My favorite hobby is reading.
I like cooking at home.
I listen to music in the morning.
I enjoy walking in the park.
I'm interested in languages.
I want to try a new hobby.
Great, and you can change the words. For example, my favorite hobby is swimming.
Or I'm interested in food.
Perfect.
John, what hobby do you think is good for English practice?
Good question. I think reading is good. Listening to podcasts is good too.
Yes, and watching easy videos in English.
And also speaking. Even speaking alone helps.
Yes, you can talk to yourself in a simple way.
Like, today I feel happy. Or, I will cook pasta.
Exactly. Short sentences every day.
Another good hobby is journaling, like writing a few lines.
Yes, a small diary like, I went to the park. I saw a dog.
Very simple, very helpful.
John, do you have a hobby you want to start?
I want to start taking photos.
Photography. Nice. Why?
Because I like nature and I want to capture small moments.
That's beautiful. You can take photos of food too.
Yes, food photos can be fun before you eat.
I like that idea. I also want to start a new hobby.
What hobby?
Maybe baking, like making cookies.
Oh, baking is great. And cookies are delicious.
Yes, and it smells nice in the house.
True, baking can feel cozy.
It can be hard sometimes, though.
Yeah, you need to follow the steps.
But it's okay. You learn by doing.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's true for hobbies and for English.
Yes, English learners make mistakes. That's normal.
And it's okay to speak slowly.
Yes, take your time. Breathe and try again.
John, let's ask listeners a question so they can think.
Good. Listeners, what is your favorite hobby?
And what are you interested in?
You can answer out loud or write it down.
My favorite hobby is...
And I'm interested in...
Nice and simple.
Before we go, let's share one small tip to keep a hobby.
Yes, sometimes people start, then stop.
My tip is choose a small goal, like 10 minutes.
Good. My tip is make it easy. Put your book on your table or your shoes near the door.
Great idea. That helps you remember.
And be kind to yourself. If you miss a day, it's okay.
Exactly. Just start again.
Okay, we are almost done for today.
Thanks for spending time with us on English Talk Time.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed this easy conversation about hobbies and interests.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic and keep it simple.
Until then, take care, keep practicing, and enjoy your hobbies.
Bye for now.
Bye.